How to bulk edit offers. The bulk edit feature allows you to make the same changes to multiple offers or to multiple partners all at once. Typical usage of this feature includes making changes to events for multiple offers, changing tracking domains for multiple offers, or editing base destination URLs, and so many more. In this video, we will review the most common use cases and other possibilities. Let's take a closer look. First, navigate to Offers and Manage. There are two ways to select offers or partners for a bulk edit. Number 1, check the boxes on the left to select multiple offers, then click Action and Bulk Edit. And number 2, click on the 3 vertical dots to the right and select Bulk Edit. You will then be redirected to the Bulk Edit page. If you have not selected offers to edit previously, you can select them here. If already selected, you can edit them further. Click on an offer to move it from available to selected, or select all. In addition to the search bar, you may filter available offers by status, label, or advertiser by clicking on the funnel icon. Next, we will configure the changes we'd like to make. Select the offer fields you would like to edit and complete each associated prompted field. This can be selected using the search bar or navigating through the category of each offer tab. Making more than one change at a time is also possible. You can do so by clicking the plus button on the left next to changes. Let's dive into each use case we mentioned at the beginning of this video. First is making changes to events for multiple offers. The field type for this change is additional events. Selecting this field will give you 3 options for actions: append, clear, and override. Append will add an event in addition to what's already present in the offers. Clear will remove all events, and override will replace the current events with what you will configure here. Then you will click the Edit Additional Events button to create the events that you will add or override for the selected offers. Please note that choosing Clear Action will not present this option. Side note, you would need to have additional events created in order to add them here. Another use case is changing tracking domain IDs for multiple offers. This can be especially helpful when you are removing an old tracking domain, therefore in need of removing them from any live offers, or want to apply a branded tracking domain for a set of offers. For this, we will be using the tracking domain ID field type. You can then select the new tracking domain using the specific tracking domain ID bar. This will override the current tracking domain with the new one you have selected. Lastly, editing the base destination URL can be achieved using this feature. This works very much like find and replace in Excel files, as the selecting base destination URL field type will reveal. For instance, let's suppose you have multiple offers that have the n sub 1 equal transaction ID in the base destination URL, but now you need to change sub 1 to sub 3. Instead of having to go into every single offer and manually make a change, you can simply put sub 1 in find and sub 3 in replace. Once the configuration is complete, click the Review button on the bottom right. This will preview the changes you are about to make and even allow you to cancel some of the changes if desired. Then click the Apply button at the bottom to save the changes. There are many other use cases for this amazing feature, such as applying the same targeting rule, enabling fail traffic, or applying caps to multiple offers. Exploring this feature to your advantage is surely encouraged. And now, you can use the bulk edit feature to apply the same changes to multiple offers.